Welcome to Quiz on the Road. Today, let's test how well you know events from the past and if you can correctly guess the year. Let's get started. When was Google founded? 1996, 1998, 2000 or 2002? The answer is 1998. The Olympics were postponed for the first time ever in which year? Is it 1940, 1980, 2020 or 2024? The answer is 2020. In which year did the first FIFA World Cup take place? Is it 1928, 1930, 1934 or 1940? The answer is 1930 in Uruguay. In which year did World War I begin? Is it 1914, 1912, 1915 or 1918? World War I began in 1914. When was Goa liberated from Portuguese rule in India? Is it 1947, 1954, 1961 or 1965? The answer is 1961. When did India's constitution come into effect? Is it 1947, 1948, 1949 or 1950? The answer is 1950. In what year did the euro currency become official? Was it 97, 99, 2000 or 2002? Euro currency became official in 1999. When was Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, born? Was it 1955, 1950, 1960 or 1965? The answer is 1955. In which year did America gain its independence from the British? Is it 1820? Is it 1778, 1790 or 1776? The answer is 1776. When did India win its first Cricket World Cup? Is it 1979, 1981, 1983 or 1987? The answer is 1983. When was Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, officially opened? Is it 2008, 2010, 2012 or 2015? The answer is 2010. When was the first iPhone released? Was it 2007, 2005, 2008 or 2010? The answer is 2007. We are now at the halfway mark. Have you hit the subscribe button yet? Richard Trevithick from Britain invented the steam engine locomotive. Which year was this? Was it the 1800, 1804, 1807 or 1810? It was in 1804. When did Mahatma Gandhi launch the non-cooperation movement in India? Is it 1915, 1920, 1930 or 1942? The non-cooperation movement started in 1920. The Colosseum in Rome was inaugurated in which year? 70 AD, 80 AD, 90 AD or 100 AD? The answer is 80 AD. When did the COVID-19 pandemic officially start? Was it 2018, 2020, 2019 or 2021? The year was 2019. When was the Lotus Temple in Delhi completed? Was it 1970, 1980, 1986 or 1995? The answer is 1986. When was the first atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima in Japan? Was it 1943, 1944, 1945 or 1946? The answer is 1945. The Gupta Empire, known as the Golden Age of India, began in which year? Was it 319 CE, 280 CE, 400 CE or 550 CE? The answer is 319 CE or Common Era. In what year did Vasco da Gama first arrive in India? Was it 1492, 1498, 1505 or 1526? Vasco da Gama arrived in India in 1498. When did India successfully land Chandrayaan-3 on the moon, making it the first country to reach the lunar South Pole? Was it in 2019, 2021, 2022 or 2023? The answer is 2023. When was the Great Pyramid of Giza completed? 2600 BCE, 2500 BCE, 2400 BCE or 2300 BCE? It is believed it was 2500 BCE. In what year was Isaac Newton, the scientist who formulated the laws of motion, born? Was it 1632, 1642, 1652 or 1662? The answer is 1642. In which year did the Wright brothers successfully achieve the first powered flight? Was it 1899, 1901, 1903 or 1905? The answer is 1903. In which year was the first ever email sent? Was it 1965, 1971, 1978 or 1983? The answer is 1971. And that's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments or challenge a friend to beat your score. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for playing.